I got a call. The dirt guy said that the cove cracked through the curb and gutter that we did.
I don't know if it's cosmetic, just the cream in there. But at least try something.
And we'll see what happens tomorrow. So I went down to Carson. It's about a 30-40 minute drive from where I was. I just had left Carson, got down there. It was pretty hard. I took the water and the silver tip. I don't know if you guys know much about those brooms. Those silver tips will broom concrete pretty hard. We use them on barrier rail, fixing stuff, blowed up stuff. It's super hard. They'll bring it back to life. When I took it down there, it really didn't touch it. It was too hard, and it had been hours since we broomed. So I took a little bit of Wonder Fix, put it in that cove, and it wasn't a straight, they weren't straight cracks. It just didn't crack open. It was just that cream cracked a bunch.
The cove cracked just a little bit in there. I don't know if it's cosmetic, just the cream in there. Very, very windy day today. Then cure immediately after. Trying to lock in that moisture. Poured 30 yards of this. I started on the last truck because I figured it'd be the wettest. It was pretty hard. Can at least try something. Take a little Wonder Fix in that crack in the cove, then a little water, silver tip it, and then I'm curing it every 10 feet, 20 feet. So far, went back to the beginning stuff, and it looks like cracks haven't come opened up. I mean, like I said, I think they're just cosmetic. I don't think they're cracked all the way through.
Put that in there, did it all. It took me about an hour. I did 10 feet at a time and cured it, and did the next one. 10 feet, cured it, cured the whole thing, not just the cove. That way it'll kind of look blended. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully it's not too patchy or totally different color. But what happens, you guys run into cracks, or what do you guys do? Do you try to fix them? You just leave them? Somebody walks in it? You go try to fix it? Let me know in the comments the stuff that you guys hate. You got to fix something. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe. If you want any merch, check out frombuilt.com, and we'll see you on the next one.